Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix network cable unplugged error in Windows 10. Let's get started. First, click on the Windows icon and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now, a black window will appear. Here, type the following commands one by one. First type ipconfig/flushdns and then press Enter. You'll see a message that the DNS cache has been successfully flushed. Next, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Finally, type exit and press Enter. Now restart your system and check if the issue is resolved. If the problem continues, let's adjust the network settings. Click on the Windows icon and type View Network Connections. Open it, then locate your Ethernet connection. Right-click and select Properties. Now, click on QoS Packet Scheduler, and then click on Configure. A window will appear. Click Yes. Go to the Advanced tab. On the left, select Speed and Duplex. On the right, change the value. First, set it to 100 megabits per second. Half duplex, click OK, and restart your computer. If the issue still appears, go back and set it to 10 megabits per second. Full duplex, click OK and restart again. These are the top two methods to fix the network cable unplugged issue in Windows 10. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.